What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we will be doing the spanning columns. Now, what if the table contains data that spans multiple columns? For example, a personal calendar could have events that span across multiple hours or days, right? And data can span columns using the call span attribute. The attribute accepts an integer greater than or equal to 0 or 1, to denote the number of columns it spans across. So when you are entering in the data or the table data, you can do call span, and then if you put 2, that's basically how many that is. So in the example above, the data out of town spans Monday and Tuesday in the headings using the value 2 or 2 columns. The data back in town appears only under the Wednesday heading. So essentially this is to tell the data how much or what days or what columns are being spanned across. So in index.html, span a TD element across 2 columns. So we can simply just let's just go ahead and do the first one. Actually, the second one, yeah, second one. So the call span equals 2. Sound good? Now this is what Davies burgers look like right now, and this is what Davies burgers looks like right now. It basically pushed it over one. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it basically pushed it over once, and that's essentially what call span does. And yeah, that's going to end this video. I know it was very short, quick, and sweet, but that's gonna end it right there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.